This is the morning view, the day view.
We are here now in Cebu City to visit friends and shopping. So we're staying for 2 nights here at 101 Horizon Condo for 3,500 peso for 2 nights. So I will show to you the room. We are here in the room now. So we have here the kitchen, the sink. They have the ref, here the ref, we have the microwave, and we have the bottle for water refill. We have the bed, very spacious bed, very nice bed, so nice. Bedroom, very beautiful. We have the lampshade here, cabinet also here. And we have the table here to sit and look the beautiful place outside here. Very overlooking the Mango Road. And here we have the TV with Netflix ready. And we have the Wi-Fi here and telephone. And we have here for the woman guys, dressing table and makeup table. And we have here the cabinet. And here the shower. We have here the shower. Hot shower guys. Hot shower. And here, if you want to bath. And we have the plates. Hey guys, they are complete. They have plates, everything that you need for the kitchen to use in the morning. We can cook. We have also water heater. We have rice cooker if you cook rice. And we have also induction cooker. Oh, where you can cook this. What is this for? When this, they call it extractor hood. When you cook something. And here inside, maybe they have. Oh, they have for kitchen. I think they have plates here, guys. Oh, they have also cooker here. Plates. We have also more, this one, multi-cooker, and they have here inside guys, what do you call it, this, frying pan, and steamer. They have steamer here, look at that, very beautiful. So now, bye for today. That's